Friends, here I will be talking about uses of dir and help functions. See, these two functions are default functions of Python for documentation. And here, dir is used to get the list of available operations or methods of an object. So here, object could be any one of the data type or data structure. See, data types we know. They are like integer, float and string. So we are also having data structures. They are like list, tuple, dictionaries and sets. Very soon we'll discuss about data structures as well. Fine. Then help is used to get the documentation. And here that documentation is the default documentation from your Python software. Now let me give this syntaxes. See, you can apply dir function in this way to get the list of operations on your data types like string, integer and float, and on your data structures like list, tuple, dictionaries and sets. You can also define a variable, and on that variable you can apply dir function so that you can see the list of operations of that variable. And you can also apply help function in this way for your data types or data structures. Now let me explain them with a simple example. Now here directly I am printing dir of, let's say, string. Save it and run it. See the result. You are getting list of operations on string data type. So instead of string you can also take integer or float. Let me take integer and let me write one more print function, and I am doing here float. Save it and run it. Yes, you are getting string operations, then integer operations and then float operations. That's fine. Now instead of directly applying dir function on your data types, you can also define your required variable with your required data type. See, suppose I am taking my variable or my value equals to, let's say, 6.7, that is float. Now if you print dir of your variable, it will give the list of operations on your variable that is float, so that you will get operations for your float data type. That's it. Then let me go with help function. See, print help of, let's say, string. Now for string we have different types of operations, right? Now for all those operations here you will get documentation. Now let's save it and run it. See the result. So you are getting something called class. Actually this is oops concept. If you remember, somewhere I told that each and every concept is implemented with oops concept in Python 3.x. That's why it is starting with class. And inside that we are having methods. So if you press enter, it will show more documentation. And you can also see the same documentation from your Python shell. Now let me open my command line. So I am entering into Python shell. So here suppose I am taking dir, directly you can write, no need to take print here, dir of string or dir of float, dir of integer, or even you can do simply one variable and you can apply on that variable your dir function. That's it. Same way help of string. Now press Ctrl C to stop that, then type exit, then parenthesis and then enter. That's it. See, basically dir and help functions are useful while implementing your scripts to know the operations or documentation of a particular object. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching this video.